Find the quadratic equation whose roots are 4i and negative 4i. So what's really happening in this case is that we got to have x equals to 4i, and then we're talking about x equals to negative 4i. Because remember, when we're talking about roots, that means we're talking about solutions. All right? Then what we're going to do now is to rewrite this equation by taking the 4i to the left side. That will give us what? X minus 4i equals to 0. And then for this one here, it's going to be x plus 4i equals to 0. All right? Then now what we're going to do is to multiply the two of them together. So that will give us what? X minus 4i times x plus 4i equals to 0. So now we're going to use the FOIL method, right? The first, x times x to the second power, the outer, negative 4i, the x times, 4i, that will give us what? Plus 4ix, the inner, negative 4i times x is negative 4ix, then the last, negative times negative is positive, is negative times, negative, positive is negative, then we have negative what? 4, so that's 16, right? And then I times I squared, that is equal to 0. Then we got to combine like terms, so that means we have x squared. This one, what's going to happen to them? They're out. Then we have minus 16, I to the second is equal to 0. Now what are we going to do? What is I squared, standing for? I squared, ladies and gentlemen, we all know, is equal to negative 1. Very important concept that we spoke about before, complex numbers, right? So what's going to happen is that this one then becomes a negative. So it's like you're having x squared minus 16 times negative 1. And negative times negative is positive, so you end up with x squared plus 16 equals to 0. Is there anything that we can do? No. This is your final answer. X squared plus 16 equals to 0, and you are finished.